Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got a nice analog freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, if you're going to be hitting the town, you're going to be dressing to impress, this might be the watch face that you want to play for the weekend. Now, the name of the watch face is called 78 Degrees North Golden Bullet. And yes, the dials look just like bullets, but it looks nice. It has an elegant taste to it. Now, in AOD mode, it does look premium. You're going to get a nice analog look as well. When the watch face is on, you're going to get your power information at the top, steps here, heart rate. You come down, you're going to get the days of the week and your date. Also, what I like about this is that you got nice premium hands as well. Nice second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch, and it is interactive. You just tap on power to bring up power information, your heart rate, also your steps. Come down, you get your date. Now you're also going to get your calendar in both, so it'll do it here as well. I don't know why that is, but again, it's not a deal breaker, especially considering that the watch face is free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.